Greetings, one and all. We are your hosts for this pudding.
We are here to tell you a story that happened long ago and far away.
Although the Bible doesn't say that shepherds ever sneeze, the message here is more than that, so listen if you please.
Come back with us to Bible times on that special holy night.
When God came down to earth to show we're precious in His sight,
no matter what the ups and downs or challenges you face,
God brings peace and love to us, and amazing is His grace.
The players have arrived. You see the choirs rehearse and set.
Turn off your phones and funny ringtones, and nobody will get upset.
Yes, that's enough now to get things started. You'll hear more all along.
So first things first, let's make some music and sing the opening song.
Welcome now to Bethlehem. Out here in this field is Aaron, the allergic shepherd.
Shoot! God bless you. Thank you.
You see, Aaron is allergic to sheep.
The only thing that's worse than a shepherd who's allergic to sheep would be a sheep who's allergic to wool. Shoot!
But that's another story for another time.
My boss, the head shepherd, Mr. Ivy Lantrout, says,
"If you don't stop sneezing, Aaron, I'll have to fire you. I don't want to do that, but we can't have a shepherd who's allergic to sheep."
Why not?
Well, their sneezing seems to make them nervous. When we can't have nervous sheep, they tend to wander off looking for greener pastures.
Yes, Mr. Ivy.
Meanwhile, Emperor Caesar Augustus had sent out a decree.
What?
Oh, he made a law that everyone had to be counted so they could test.